So the process to change kilometers to miles on iPhone maps is quite easy and simple. So for now, you can see it is in kilometers if I open up the Apple Maps. And to change the setting to miles, you need to go and open up the iPhone settings, scroll down a bit, and go to General. So you need to go to General. Basically, we need to change the metric system to US measurements. And if you do so, it will automatically change to miles. So for that, scroll down a bit and go to language and region here. Scroll down a bit. And here you can see measurement system. It is metric. Tap on this, select US, go back. Now it will obviously reflect on Apple Maps. So if I now go and close it, open it again, and have the same address. So now you can see it is in miles. So you can just go and tap on go start the journey. So hope by doing so, you can see it is in miles. Hope by doing so, you'll be able to change kilometers to mile on iPhone maps. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.